Police scuffled with protesters in Ottawa Friday as authorities work to clear blockades that have occupied the city's downtown area for 3 weeks. Fearing escalation or violence, Ottawa police had sought to disperse them peacefully with fines and then arrests. Ottawa's interim police chief, Steve Bell.
Last night, we began to take additional actions towards implementing our operation. We moved officers and equipment into key positions throughout the city and took up 100 checkpoints around the downtown core. We began making arrests of key individuals who were responsible for organizing these unlawful activities. As of 3 p.m. today, we've arrested 70 people. They have been charged with multiple various offenses, including mischief.
Protesters at one point had barricaded behind snow mounds to slow the advance of police making arrests, while tow trucks hauled away more than 20 vehicles. Police said at least 2 trucks were driven away voluntarily. The protests began weeks ago in a bid to end cross-border COVID-19 vaccine mandates for truck drivers, but the blockade gradually turned into a sprawling anti-government demonstration. Many have vowed to remain peaceful, but say they won't budge until police physically remove them.
Unfortunately, these police officers have been put in a very bad position, but their decision now as to which side of history they're on is to be made. Are they for liberty or are they for tyranny?
With no apparent plans to leave, one man was seen lying in the snow in front of police. Another lifted weights. A day earlier, a pair of demonstrators soaked in a portable jacuzzi.
We are in the jacuzzi making peace. Peace for to show all the world how Canadians going to protest.
But police have described the protest as a siege with late-night fireworks and incessant horn blowing fraying residents' nerves.
We have well-developed plans that will ensure ultimate removal of those protesters from our streets.
Despite hundreds of officers deployed to central Ottawa, police say it will take days to clear the protests.